here I am, and I'm gonna do a Dollar Tree haul video. Dollar Tree haul. Also, when I was watching these haul videos and channels to do the hauls, like there's certain guys that do certain things like camping, outdoors, stuff like that. But I didn't really see any guys that we're doing haul videos for just everyday guy life. Okay, so that's one thing I want to start doing haul videos for, is just the everyday guy looking for things for everyday life that is gonna save him money, but also things that'll be useful. So that's what we're gonna do. So I just got back from Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna do a real quick Dollar Tree haul. So before we begin, if you guys are new, please hit the subscribe button, give us a like, share us out, and if you're coming back, number one, it's good to see you. Thank you for your constant support, and really appreciate you guys always being there, and your friendship and your love of us and your support. So thank you for that. All right, first thing I got was this little wall sticker. It says "Blessed Beyond Measure." Blessed beyond measure. I just love that saying because I truly am blessed with the family that I have, the boys, my wife. You know, I really do feel blessed. I'm blessed to just be living. Every day is a blessing. So this sticker right here, it says the brand is Main Street, $1.25. Thought it was very cool. Shows different places you can put it. Put it in the living room. Put it in above our like frame. Put it in the bathroom, just wherever. I thought about maybe just taking it and putting it up in my classroom behind my desk. So again, blessed beyond measure. And most of these items I got, guys, are the normal price at Dollar Tree now, $1.25. Next item is wall map of the United States. This is a brand, Teaching Tree. This is a brand of school supply stuff that is specific for Dollar Tree, and they actually make some really good quality stuff. So it's a political map, which means it just shows you know, the outlines of the states and the borders, boundaries, and the state capitals. But just try to get this open for y'all so you can take a look and see. Oh wow! I don't want to tear it. There we go. We're getting it. Dang, it's big. All right. So here you go, guys. Pretty good size map. It's nice. I like it. It's good. Has all your state capitals, some of your major cities. It's nice. Pardon the crinkling, I apologize for that. I know y'all don't like that. Some of you might, I don't know. If you're into ASMR and stuff like that, you might like it. But I think if I was watching it, I'd get kind of annoyed with it. All right, so next thing I have is just a normal pill box. So I have to take several different medications a day, and one of them I'm only supposed to take during the day, so this is for that one. And then I also have for the others that I have to take at night. I bought one for that as well. That is right here. Seven-day pill organizer, and these actually work really, really well, guys. You can put it, I take about 5 different meds every day, and all 5 of them fit in each day's slot just just fine, and these things last a long time. They're very durable. I've used them for several years. So that brand is Premier Plus, which is the same as this one as well. Premier Plus. So I'm guessing that's also a Dollar Tree brand, probably. So it's pretty nice. Next thing I got, guys, this is the one item that was not $1.25. These were $4, but these are just some good low cut socks. You get 10 for $4. You get 5 pairs of black, 5 pairs of white. These are not the thickest socks, so if you're one that likes thick socks, these are not for you. These are actually pretty thin socks, but I like wearing shoes that or socks that I can't feel. I really do. I like wearing, if I could wear just tennis shoes with my bare feet inside of them without worrying about them getting stinky or dirty or anything, I would. And so these socks they're really nice. They keep your feet from stinking, they keep them from sweating, they keep your shoes from getting ruined. And so yeah, $4, 10 pairs, can't beat that. Next thing I have is another thing to go along with teaching, or it could be any job in general, but it's just 10 different binder clips. This, I believe, also is a Dollar Tree brand. It's called Jot, J-O-T. And what's cool about these is you have a binder clip for every day of the week. So if you're a teacher and you have like a packet of assignments or things to grade or whatever, and you want to keep them together for a certain day, you can use that day's paper clip. Or you also have some clips that are for the amount of urgency that you need to get something done, paperwork, whether it be to do, urgent, today, tomorrow. So here are the urgency clips. You guys can see those. And then here are the clips for the different days of the week. Pretty cool. $1.25, not bad at all. All right, next thing we have is staying along the lines of me being a teacher. Is we have the inflatable globe. Kids love these. Again, it's that same brand. It's a Teaching Tree brand. I've got 2 of these. I bought 2 of them. I'm probably gonna go back and get more, but they're actually really they're not the full size of an average beach ball. They're a little bit smaller, but the detail on them is awesome. I actually blew the other one up and I was looking at it, and just the detail and the labeling on them, like where the countries are, different countries. It has countries on there that I'd never heard of, so it's awesome. It's also a very interactive thing for the kids to use in the classroom, and it's just something cool to have. So outside of just your normal everyday globe, so that's pretty cool. A few more things in here, guys. Again, sticking along the classroom lines. This is the brand Jot again, but these are just 3 sharpeners that I'm gonna let the kids use for colored pencils. I found that, at least with me, if I have people sharpening colored pencils and the normal pencil sharpener, it tends to damage and almost ruin the pencil sharpener. And so I like to keep my regular pencils and my colored pencils, I like to keep the sharpeners separate. So just 3 of these for $1.25, not bad. And those will be just specifically used for sharpening colored pencils. Okay. Then I just got some insoles. I don't know. I spent a lot of time on my feet, guys. I have four jobs, and so just having some insoles. I don't know if these will work well or not. I've never used them before, so we'll just try them out. I'm gonna give you guys updates on all this stuff and let you guys know if it works. Stuff like that. Now, A lot of this stuff is repurchased, like this. I know works. The pill canister, the pill organizer works. The socks work. They're awesome. The beach ball globe is awesome. And also, this kind of stuff right here, guys, just runs out quick. So if you're a teacher, if you know somebody that is a teacher, if you just want to do something for your kid's teacher, go out and grab this stuff at Dollar Tree. It'll really help them out a lot, and it's not expensive at all. I mean, everything's $1, so, and it goes a long way for teachers as far as them being able to use and utilize it for the course of the school year. So, last thing, and then I've just got some hygiene stuff, guys, or a couple more things, and I just have some hygiene stuff. I found this. It's called driver's choice, which tells me that it's probably for the car, but I'm going to use it probably just to dust off the furniture in the house. And this is a microfiber wash mitt. So I'm just going to use it to dust. It's two different sides. One side is like this little material stuff, and then the other side is basically just like a towel. You can dust, wash whatever with this, and then just throw it in the laundry, and you're good to go. So $1.25, I thought it's a pretty good deal. Okay, now the last few items I have, guys, are just hygiene items, personal hygiene items. First thing I have is this bar of soap. It's called W. I don't know winning formula. I don't know anything about it. It's made in the US, made in Miami, made without all the weird stuff, so it's like all natural, vitamin infused, hydrating, moisturizing, odor fighting. And it gives you a little hole to smell this hole. And guys, this soap smells absolutely amazing, so I'm actually looking really forward to using it. I don't know if anybody's ever used it before. Let me know in the comments if you have. But I got two bars of that. Okay, a couple more things, and then we'll be done for this haul. Again, it's my first ever haul, so let me know, guys, what you think. Did you enjoy it? Did you not enjoy it? Is it something that you want to see more of? Just let me know. This is a knockoff, I believe, of, what is that brand? There's a brand, Dr. Squatch, I think is what it is. So this is a knockoff of that. And this is called the men's aluminum-free deodorant Power Stick. And this one is supposed to smell like oak barrel. I have not used this, so I don't know if it works good or not. I'm gonna check it out. Again, I'll give you guys updates. It smells really good. It smells really good. So this is deodorant. Again, it's a knockoff of Dr. Squatch, I believe. It's supposed to be, it's called Power Stick. And this is the oak barrel scent. A couple more things. Actually, last thing up, guys, is this. I thought it looked cool because it's got all the NBA teams on there. But this is called Above Men Dermaclinical 72-hour antiperspirant spray. It's a dry spray. So again, I have not used this either, but I will use it, and I'll give you guys an update. So that's it. Let me look at the receipt. So again, everything on here, everything in the haul today was $1.25, except for the socks, which were $4. The shears, pruning shears, I don't know if I showed you guys these or not, but this is also a repeat buy. These are really, really good. Garden is a name. Dollar Tree has a ton of gardening stuff, so before you go out and spend a whole bunch of money on stuff for your flower bed, for your garden, make sure you stop by Dollar Tree and see if they don't have what you need first. But these were the only other thing that were $1.25. These were $1.50. So everything that I showed you came out to a grand total of $25.31, including tax. All right, guys, so that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed that haul, my first ever haul. If you do, please let me know. Leave a comment below. Let me know what your favorite item of the haul was. Let me know if you've tried any of these items, or if you have any ideas of other things that I could haul. I mean, I really appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you share us out, like, and subscribe. And until next time, take time to make memories. Thanks, guys.